Is this the best way to truly appreciate Sydney? Hamilton travels by helicopter. We booked a helicopter joyride over Sydney via Sydney Heli Tours and headed out to the domestic airport for our ride. Inside this shed, we were weighed and sat through a short but informative safety briefing. We lucked out in this shiny red helicopter with cream interior. And after taxiing to the landing pad, we were off over multiple golf courses, headed straight for the city of Sydney. Once we were over the harbour, the pilot circled about. 4 times he turned left and right so that we were able to see everything, and we flew right over the Opera House. The weather was amazing and meant the shots came out beautifully. We could see all the boats, and the colour of the water just surprised us. We then went past the heads over the ocean, and a little bit of wind was felt, but then we started to head south down the coastline. First over Bondi Beach, then Tamarama and Bronte, before heading over the Clovelly headland and Burrows Park. Then Clovelly Beach, Gordons Bay and Coogee, my home beach with its long promenade and small rocky outcrop about 1.5 kilometres offshore, nicknamed Wedding Cake Island. Can you see a person standing in the middle? We then went past the long stretch of Maroubra Beach and turned above the South Maroubra Beach Surf Club on our way back. Would we recommend this? Well, the cost is $240 per person, but it was spectacular. Smooth sailing all the way with a multitude of photo opportunities. I even put my camera in the pilot's face and he said he's had worse. You have to check this out. Happy travels!